How to play If You're Gone by Matchbox 20. So this song will be in standard, and there'll be a capo on second fret. I'm making it because I searched up a tutorial the other day, and I literally could not find anything. So yeah, I thought I'd be the first to make one. And for this tutorial, I'll be doing it as if there's two guitars, but you can just use one, and you'll see later on how you can use one. And there's also like a lead riff for a third guitar, which I'll show, but I won't go too in depth. But I'll leave the tabs for everything and the chord diagrams and everything, and I'll be slow to explain it. And yeah, so I hope it helps if you're trying to learn the song. And it's very basic. At least the chords are very basic. The intro can be a bit tricky, but yeah, we'll get right into it. Okay, so how to play the intro riff. You get it. So I like to start off with kind of a G chord, but you move from the second fret to the third fret on the second string. And it's like you leave the middle two free, and it's like you're barring nearly this whole third fret, but you're not. And they're your first notes. So first string, fifth string, sixth string, and then you want to go back to fifth. And then you want to move your pinky finger all the way over to fifth. So it's... and then back to the third. That's what it sounds like. And then you want to play these two strings together. So your second string and your fifth string on the third fret. It'll sound like that. And then you want to apply your first finger to the second fret on the second string, on the A string. And then once you've moved to the second string, you play something very similar. It's a bit robotic there, but anyways. So you want to play second string, and then your fifth and sixth, back to fifth. This time with this stretch, you want to play the fifth frets, like on your low, high E, and then you want to play this string, your D string, just on its own. Come back to the third, then you play a C chord, not the whole thing though, you just play the second string and the fifth string. And that's it, and then you just repeat that 2 times for the intro, so... that's it. Okay, now moving on to the second guitar. I won't go through how to play the chords. I'm assuming you know them. I'll leave diagrams though in case you don't. And yeah, so basically you want to start off with a G chord. By the way, this is would be the second guitar in the intro, and you don't need this. You can just play it by itself and then get into the chords after. Anyways, so to supplement the intro, I like to have a G chord and then a C chord. And you want to time it so the C falls on that beat. And then you go to E minor, D to a C. So you want to play the E minor when you're playing that's when the E minor falls. And then when you get to this in the intro riff, that's when you want to be playing the D. And on your last bar, when you get to the C, you just play a C chord. And together it'll sound like this. And that's it. You just do that twice for the intro, and then you get into the verse, which starts off the same. So and then you play G, a C, A minor, E minor, D, C, G, C, to D. And that is basically it for the first verse at least, and all the verses. And then I change my picking pattern when I get a little further along. You don't have to play it singularly like I do. You can it's a personal preference, whatever you want. And yeah, I'll show you how I'd play the second little bit. It's kind of like a build up. It gets a little, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Okay, moving on to the pre-chorus. I kind of change it from, it's quite slow, single strokes. Then I like to build it up. Now I won't go through the chords again. I'll just display them as I play the chords, and at the end I change my picking pattern, and you'll see that. And just try to follow. Like it's not that serious. You don't have to like copy it one for one. Just trying to get the sound. I like to play like 2 downstrokes, and then like an emphasis on the third. But yeah. And then for the F, the very last chord, kind of introducing the chorus. And yeah, that's it for pre-chorus. Okay, now for the chorus. So you're just coming out of that F, and G. I changed my picking pattern again. It's just more strumming. But once again, it's up to your choice. And yeah. So after the F, to a C, A minor, D, G, then repeat. And then the last G, you just play once, and then C, and E minor, and C. And when that G plays, you want to go back to the intro, you know? And that's basically it. There's not a lot to the song. It's pretty simple. That's as much as chords go and the intro riff. I'll get into that little riff, if you're interested. It starts on 3 on the 5th string, 2 on the 6th, and 3 on the 6th. So back to the 2 on the 6th, back to the 3. And then you want to go back to the 2 again. And then I like to slide from 3rd fret to 5th. But you can just play 5th if you want. That's what it sounds playing 5th. And that's the slide. So it's personal. It's up to you. whatever you want to do. And yeah, just as a bonus, there's a bassline riff that goes through the chorus, and it kind of just sounds a bit empty without this bassline. So I won't go through each individual note, but I'll just play it and I'll leave tabs if anyone's interested. And it sounds like this. And that's it for today's tutorial. Whoopsie daisies. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.